Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can upload a video on Rumble. So I'm gonna be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to upload a video on Rumble, it is as similar as uploading a video on YouTube. If you know how to upload a video on YouTube, then it will be a similar process or it will be an easy steps for you. Now, first thing what you need to do is open up your web browser, and as you open up your web browser on the search box, you need to type in the link that will be rumble.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So in order to upload a video, all you need to do is you need to click on this plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on the plus icon, a drop down menu appears, so from there click on upload a video. In order to upload a video, first thing you need to select a video. For that, you need to click right in center. After that, you need to select the folder or the file where you have stored your video. Now for example, I'm going to upload this one, so you need to wait for some times while it is uploading. Once the video is uploaded, now on the right hand side corner you'll be able to see video info. Now you can give a title to your video. So for example, I'm just gonna go with this, and also you can add a description. You can write down the steps, and once you've done this, so you can also add a thumbnail for yourself. In case if you want to tag someone, then you can do that as well. Right at the bottom you have visibility. Now, if you want this video to be public, then select it public, or if you only want selected people or the people who have the link of this video to be able to see the video, then click on unlisted. And if you want to make it private, then you can do that as well, so make sure to select it accordingly. If you want to select the schedule date, then you can do that as well. And once you're done with this process, you need to click on upload. And after that, you need to select the licensing option. You can see there are 4 different options, that is video management exclusive, video management excluding YouTube, another thing that is Rumble only, and the personal use. So then select the method of licensing option, and after that you can also enter in additional information regarding the video. If you don't want to do it, then you can simply leave it blank and click on this terms and condition, and if you're sure about it, click on submit, and then you've successfully uploaded a video. If you want to see the video that recently uploaded, then click on this option, that is view. As you click on it, you'll be able to see the video that you've recently uploaded. So in this way you can upload a video on Rumble. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.